Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download shaders, skins, add-ons and etc. which is needed in Minecraft to download. So, without delaying, let's get started. So in Minecraft, what we need at first is the shaders to make it more real. So at first we are going to show you how to download shaders in Minecraft. Shaders are things to look your Minecraft more realistic and more awesome. So for this we are going to open our browser and go to this website MCPEDL. This website is awesome, freaking awesome. This one shows all of the things that you need like add-ons, skins, maps and of course shaders. We're going to download shaders from this. To pick any shaders, just click on the photo of the shaders that you want to download. Then there you will have the preview of the shaders. And when you scroll down, you will get the installation progress and some ads obviously. Just click on the downloads to download the assets and the MC pack. You can get the guide if you scroll down more. So we're gonna download now at first the MC pack. So let's click on it. Now we clicked it and it will be downloaded soon. You have to download both assets and MC pack. And now I'm going to show you some apps you can download for shaders. Go to your Play Store and search shaders for MCPE or Minecraft PE. The first app you will get is this realistic shader mode. This one is the best I have ever seen. I downloaded this one for my purpose. Then you will get another one named shaders for Minecraft PE. It is very hard to install, but not from the App Store to install in the game, but it is awesome. And the most awesome is this one, Nudes add-on for Minecraft PE MCPE free. This one is awesome. I say freaking awesome. Now I'm going to show you how to install maps for your Minecraft. Maps are needed for your Minecraft to make it more awesome, to be an architect. So let's see some websites. So at first you go to the Play Store and then search maps for Minecraft PE. At first you will see this one, Maps for Minecraft PE by Wilkins. This one is awesome. Then you will see another one, but Ultimate Mobile. This one is also awesome. You can try this one for your Minecraft. But this one is for you actually. And obviously I have told you that the previous one, the app, that was awesome. Check it out to have more maps. It also has skins and etc. Here you go, 1000 maps. Now I'm going to show you some skins for you. Skins are to make your character more awesome. There is 100 of skins. So at first we're gonna check out the first one, the Skindex. This one is popular, very popular. It is awesome, really awesome. You can download any skin from here. How to download? Tap on the screen at first. Then you will see a preview of your skin with a background. You can change the background to see how would your character look in the game. And to download, you can press the download button. And also you can edit it. This one is really awesome because you can edit it. And there is also a toolbar, a preview bar. The preview bar is 3D. Also there is some ads. I don't like them. You can edit your character and then just download it. Click the download button to download it. And that will be downloaded in your gallery as a picture. And how to install it, I'm gonna show you later. let's go to the App Store to get some skins. Search for App Store the skins. At first, you will see skins for Minecraft PE. This one is awesome. Then you will get skins for Minecraft. This one is sick. And then you will get this one, skin editor for Minecraft. This one is 3D. There is also 2D one, but 3D one is really awesome. It's like Skindex, but not that much done. So I'm gonna show you how to use skin editor. So here is your skin editor. There is a skin catalog. You can choose any skin. I'm gonna skin this. This one is awesome. You can hide the body parts or you can show them. And you can make hats by tapping on the cloth option. You can draw any and pick any color. Like this, I'm tapping, and you can make another with that cloth one. You can give a whole body color, and then you can change it obviously. And this is awesome, really awesome. I'm not gonna use it for now because I have one. Now I'm gonna show you how to install buildings in Minecraft. Buildings are for you to make your Minecraft look more awesome. Obviously, everyone is more awesome. Okay, so go to the App Store, search for buildings for Minecraft. And this one is the first one and the awesome one. This one is really sick. I'm gonna show you how to use that. So let's install this one because this one is awesome. I also have some other app. So let's download it. I'm gonna see you. Take any of the structures you want and then choose your world and then place it. There will be a 3D model of your structure. How would it would look in your world? And then just place it and boom, open your world and it's gonna be awesome. Now installing time. At first, let's install the maps. How would you install the maps? Download the maps and then go to the place where you downloaded it. Then copy or move it to the shown path. Go to your internal storage, games, com.mojang, and then Minecraft worlds. Just paste it here. Now installing shader, very easy. Go to the folder where you downloaded the file and then copy or move it to where? Go to the games, then com.mojang, and then you know where to go. If you don't know, I'm gonna show you. Go to resource pack and then just boom, means paste it here. Nothing else. Paste it. Installing the shader on the game, go to the settings and then click on the global resources. At first you have to scroll down obviously. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down now. Global resources. Then you will get in my packs, but I have already activated it. So see, activated, and now close the settings and then have fun in your games. Just play that. I'm gonna not show you how to play. You know that. So this was all about us. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if you are new. Obviously we are new. And turn on the notification and give a like or comment. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.